So now, as the monsoon has started, here arrives the season of corn, and we all love corn so much. So let's make some leaf snacking dish known as cheese corn samosas. It's very easy and very simple to make, just with few ingredients and without onion and garlic. So you can make it very quickly, very easily. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking Cuisine. I'm Shikha Shah. So now for making cheese corn samosa, here in a pan I'll be adding almost 1 tablespoon of oil. Now after adding the oil, here I'll be adding, in this I'll be also adding half a teaspoon of green chili paste. Now I'll be adding here 1 medium sized capsicum finely chopped. Here in this I'll be adding here 1.5 corn grated. It's a raw corn I'm adding it. Now after grating the corn, here I have removed its water by straining it so that it doesn't form the milk and there is no moisture or the water contained while we are sauteing this. Now in this I'll be adding 1 boiled potato and I have grated this. If you want, you can add onions, but it is better that we don't add onions. We are adding this potato for the binding, and make sure that you cook all these things on a low flame. This I'll be adding salt to taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now here I'll be adding some more black pepper powder again. The measurement of spiciness depends on the green chilies. If the chilies are more spicy, here I have taken approximately 1 green chili, but if you feel that the green chili is not much spicy, then you can add another 1 green chili. So now we are going to add cheese. Here I am taking 1 full cup of cheese. Make sure that you turn off the gas and then you add cheese, otherwise this will melt. And now mix this. So automatically it will give the flavors. To the people who don't eat onion and garlic, this is the best solution, and it's very easy and very quick to make. Here is our, now for preparing the dough, here I am taking 1 cup whole wheat flour to balance out the cheese which we have taken. In this I'll be adding oil, and some salt. Mix it well and check. Now that's a perfect consistency for frying. Now I'll be adding water to this. So now here is our dough ready. We'll be adding some oil on the top, coat it with this so that it's nice and firm, and we'll get the crispy layer when we fry. Give it a rest for up to 10 minutes, then we'll go for the frying. So now we'll make the rotis. For that, here I am taking So after making this puri, I will cut this into the half. We'll take 1 half. We'll fold it like this. And now in this, I'll be adding this mixture. And now in this, I'll be adding this mixture. we'll fry this all together. Oil is hot, so now we'll be adding this samosa. Now you can see these are ready. So I'm going to turn off the gas and take them out from the flame. So now for making chutney for cheese corn samosa, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. In this I'll be adding here handful of coriander. Then we'll be adding some pudina leaves to this, 3 to 4 pudina leaves. Then I'll be adding half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of green chili. Then we'll be adding some salt to taste, and also I'll be adding some chaat masala to this. Add some water, and now after adding this into the mixture bowl, I'm adding just a splash of water, and now we'll be crushing this.
Would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.